Let's come to oral communication. Ask the students to role play the dialogue. That is at page 7 and SLO is number 5. Asad. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, Umar? Umar. Wa alaikum assalam. I'm fine. What about you? Asad. I'm fine too. Was it your English period? Umar. Yes, it was English period. Asad. What was your lesson about? Umar. We read about Allah and His blessings to us. Asad. What did you learn? Umar. We learned that Allah is very kind. He always listens to us and is forgiving. Asad. Yes, you are right. We should always thank Him. Thank you and goodbye.